Hello everyone, this is my first cooking video. It's going to be a sweet one. It's a dessert. It's an authentic Indian recipe named Pineapple Kesari. Okay, now I'm going to share the ingredients, what's needed for it. The first one is a pineapple. Chopped pineapple, just half a cup. Sugar, 1 cup. Semolina, 1 cup. Few pieces of cashew nuts, grapes, and chopped almonds, 4 to 5 pieces, and the cardamom powder, and quarter cup of ghee, 4 cups of water. Heat the pan and add 1 or 2 spoons of ghee from the quarter cup, okay? And then when it is heated, just let's fry these cashew nuts and the dried grapes. Once it is fried, take them and keep it separate. Then let's add the pineapple. Fry them a bit. And let's take them out. The same pan, let's add the semolina. And fry that. Just fry for 1 to 3 minutes. Before the golden brown stage. Cook in a medium flame. fried nicely. Let's transfer to the bowl. Let's add 1 spoon of ghee again. Add a pinch of food color. This is optional. And add 4 to 5 cups of water. I'm adding the boiling water so we can cook a little bit with that. Let's wait for the water to boil nicely. So once the water is nicely boiled, let's add the semolina by stirring continuous. You have to stir continuous, otherwise it's coffee once. So let's stir it continuous. You can leave the flame a little bit low. So let the semolina cook. Getting cooked nicely. Stir continuously. Now it's time to add the sugar. Again, we have to stir continuous. Mixing all together. Now I'm adding pineapple. elaichi powder, cardamom powder, mix in. The lumps are the pineapple pieces that are shown, but the rest of them have mixed nicely. So these lumps are the pineapple. Now I'm going to add the cashews and the dried grapes, which we fried in the beginning. And I'm going to add the rest of the ghee from that quarter cup what we mentioned in the beginning. Almost pineapple kesari is getting ready. Yum yum, pineapple dessert is ready to eat. Let's transfer this to a serving bowl. Now the pineapple kesari is ready. I'm just garnishing with the chopped almonds on the top. The crunchy almonds. Just try this dessert. If you like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.